Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize the color on your Windows 10. So in here, I've already on my computer, and if you want to customize the appearance of your Windows in here, you can see my color is currently on dark like black color, and if you want to change it into another color, you can just go to your desktop like this and then right click, go to the personalize in here, tap on that, and you can see this is the personalize menu or settings. You can click on the colors here, and this is the options that you can where you can change the color of your Windows system. So here you can just click on this. You can see there are three options: light, dark, and also custom. So for example, I want to customize it using other than these two colors, so click on custom, and in here you can adjust it how you like it. You can choose your default Windows mode. For example, I'm going to go with light for the Windows, and for the default app I'm going to use dark. And here you can also choose whether you want the transparency effects on or off, like this. Or if you want to just choose between light and dark, you can just choose between these two. This is the preview. Let's see if I choose light, so it will go like this, and if I choose dark, it will go black like this. So just choose the color that you want. You can also choose your accent color, like this one, the accent color. You want to change, you can change it into how you like it. For example, I'm going to go with orange. You can see it will change into orange like this with the text also. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.